So I'm going to be using the Colorex, Pebeo's Colorex liquid watercolour here, and I'm going to do some bubbles. So what I've done is I've put some of the colours in a little circle here, and I'm going to use a cup. Just want to make sure I've got colour all the way around that base. Okay, let's put that to one side. So I've got a mixture of yellow, red, blue, brown. There's no green in it, that's just where the colours themselves have mixed together. Because this is a watercolour, it will smudge and blend. So I'm just using plain water. This is gorgeous. It's so simple. I'm just going to dry my brush off. I've got a lot of water in that one. Take a little bit of it out. There we go. Come over here. Now these, I'm doing them as bubbles, but just put a little top on them. These could be your Christmas baubles for a very, very simple Christmas card. I like those. I think next time I'd add a bit more of the red. This one where I added loads of water has given me some funny little edges. Let's see what happens when we smudge those funny little edges. Little funny edges on here as well. I don't want to overwork the funny little edges. I'm just going to leave them as they are. And I do want to dab that middle out. Don't want it dark in the middle. The idea of these bubbles is the watercolour and the light. Yeah, I like those a lot. And like I say, you can just imagine putting a few little tops on them to make them into Christmas baubles as well. Interesting.